As a data source, I added an Excel file which contains names and birthday as columns. There are multiple ways to do that, but the most easiest ways to do that is to create a new table. And uh, let's say we tell this table as birthday table, and then we can use the uh, calculate table function, and then filtered the rows from the original table and put it to this birthday table. So I'll take this as a sheet 1 table. So then I'll filter the data. So first we need to filter the date is equivalent to this month. So for that I use filter, and so then the table name is sheet 1, and then that's original table, and then the expression is sheet 1 birthday dot month number. There's a month number function equivalent to today month's number. Month, so we can call it as today. So it's dynamically changed then each and every day. That is one. So then the month is completed. So then we need another filter. Right. So then we need to create another filter to match the date as well. So now month, today month that we filter, and then another filter need to compare the date. So we use again filter, and then from this table, original table, so we use, there's a function called day. So then we give the date of birthday, and then which we set it to equivalent to today's day. So we called as day, so which outputs the, let's say if it's if today is the 30th of January, so then it will output, this day function will output 30th, 30 as a value. So here I give today. Right, so let's say when we press this, so as you can see, today is December 29th. All the uh, records related to December 29th filtered as a table here to a new birthday table. Means now if you go to the original table, original data source, as you can see, there are one column, and then 29 December, there's another one, Muru, and here Rachel, and then Shane are the birthdays that falls on December 29th. So if you go to the new birthday table, which was created by using the calculate table function and then filtered the table from the original table. So as you can see, Callum, Muru, Rachel, and Shane, their birthdays falls on December 29th will be filtered. Now it's just about to display the data. Now you can just create a text box, maybe saying celebrating, something like that, bit of a funny words. Right? If you want, you can insert an image as well, and then you can add a small table or whatever the way that you want to display it. You can add the names column, right? So then if you we can increase whatever the font size, whatever the way that you want to display. So as you can see, this will be dynamically every day. This dashboard, if it's published in somewhere, this dashboard shows the people with birthdays today: Callum, Muru, Rachel, and Shane. So thank you very much for watching my video, and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.